Python loops make coding easier and more efficient by automating repetitive tasks. Let's break them down. First, we have the for loop. This is used when we know how many times we want to repeat an action. For example, for I in range 5 print I, this prints numbers from 0 to 4 because range 5 generates numbers up to 4. You can also use for loops to iterate through lists. Example, fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. For fruit in fruits, print fruit. This prints each fruit one by one. Next, the while loop. This is used when we don't know exactly how many times we need to repeat an action. It runs as long as a condition remains true. Example, x equals 0, while x less than 5. Print x plus equals 1 here. X starts at 0, and the loop runs until x reaches 5. Now, let's talk about loop control statements. Break. This stops the loop immediately when a condition is met. Example, for I in range 10 if I equals 5. Break print I. This prints 0 to 4 and then stops. Continue. This skips the current iteration and moves to the next. Example, for I in range 5 if I equals 2. Continue print I. Here I equals 2 is skipped, so the output is 0, 1, 3, 4. Pass. This is a placeholder when we don't want to write code yet. We can also nest loops inside each other. Example, for I in range 3, 4, j in range 2 print f I equals I o j equals j. This runs the inner loop for every iteration of the outer loop. Finally, Python allows an else block with loops. It runs if the loop completes without hitting a break statement. Example, for I in range 3 print I else. Print loop completed. If the loop doesn't break, it prints loop completed. Loops are a powerful part of Python, making tasks easier and code more efficient. Try these examples in your own code